Yes, that's everything we have to say about our 30s. Well, my 30s. And I want to reflect on what it was like being in my 30s and the lessons that I've learned. Rug. Alright, we are here having our tea party. It is a Bridgerton style tea with the entire family. Say hello, Minnas. We are about to have tea. You have your little teacup here. Isn't that delightful? Isn't so cute? And we have William back from Houston. No, not Houston, Virginia. And Hudson is also back. And then we have Lady Honesty and Lady Nevaeh. We're going to have our tea. And then, of course, she's waving the royal wave. Yes, yes, yes. She's doing the royal wave. All right, we're having our tea. Yes. Look at that food. Everything looks so delicious.
And like I said, you can feel free to use the microwave.
Ooh, she got lemon on the chicken. That looks so good.
I was a ghost, I was alone. Give me the throne, I didn't know how to believe. I was the queen that I was meant to be. I lived two lives trying to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. You better sing.
Nice to meet you. You said I to. Oh, I'm so happy. I like that. Stop.
All right, here's the before of the hallway. We are about to begin painting. Remember what it looked like before. There's Deanna. Say hi, Deanna. All right. Okay, so here it goes, and then that one, and then we'll do one wall if we've got more. All right, here we're about to begin. You know what? From here, it really don't look like that wall is painted in the very back.
Yeah, that's why I said look white.
That's so nuts. Time for brunch. Yay! We're gonna have the mimosas, the sparkling apple juice.
Why is that?
Shine. Brunch. With sparkling apple juice. All right, say hi, Deanna. Hi, Deidre. Say hi, Deidre. Hi, Deidre, I'm sleeping. Okay, this is the drink I ended up going with. Delicious. Yeah. Welcome Welcome to Cresby's. Oh my gosh, all these Nick Jackson bric-a-bracs look like our house.
Hi, Nina. Oh, your hat's falling off.
I don't think yet. We gotta get a soda.
A soda pop.
Spools.
Tony Choi. I was
Just
like, the
here with a few of my favorite people. Hello, everybody. Time to watch Bridgerton party with some sushi and some pizza and a chicken and a cake
and
that we
sushi
didn't need
and
at
a
all.
neighbor.